stalled it.
Yeah, I'll pull
The,
ahead.
the 5900 didn't like that.
Well, I don't give him much gas. I just want to pull him to head.
Folks, we're out here cleaning up the sugar woods.
Yeah, once I get up there,
This ain't the sugar woods. This is the hunting woods. We're up here cleaning up the hunting woods. We got a hunting shack. Love mine hunting shacks up here. Oh, we got to come back and get all my gas and stuff, Tony. Once you go get the side-by-side, back it up here. Unless you want to carry everything. There's the love mine shack. Tony's carrying everything. John's got a load of hitch of logs. Watch this, it'll come now. $5,900 Ford. Look at that. We got a hitch. Hard act. Nothing better. Thanks a lot for watching. We're in the hunting shack world. We got everything. We got Tony. I got the chainsaw. If you can get the other two things. We gotta put them inside the four-wheeler. We got the side-by-side. The Tracker 800, baby, with the 3-inch lift. She's loaded for bear. There it is. Tracker 800. This is the FJB edition. Tracker 800 SX. Off-road. Yeah, baby. Full cab, heater, everything. Thanks a lot for watching. Louie, out. You get everything?
yeah. Where we put it all?
Just gotta go inside.